Hey everybody, Jim T here, and today I happen to be inside of an amazing mid-century modern home. For those of you that are not familiar with the architecture, mid-century modern homes typically consist of low, wide footprints that feature wide open spaces. In this particular room, one of my favorite features is how the architect really paid close attention to the other aspect of mid-century modern homes, which was bringing the outdoors into the home. In this particular case, the home has floor-to-ceiling windows that allow the outside in so that the homeowner could enjoy feeling like they're outdoors.